y'all. Hold on. The sun hitting back here. Hold on. We cute. We cute right here. Hold on. Oh, I ain't even locked the car yet. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to It's Just Shy channel. I don't know what I'm gonna call y'all yet. But welcome back, y'all. It's just me. We got somebody with me, but you know you gotta go to the other channel. On our channel. She's a secret. Not a secret, just private. Ain't this what y'all been saying? Not a secret, just private. Woo, y'all, we at Five Below. I came to we gotta get some stuff because we're supposed to be taking pictures Sunday, so we gotta get some pictures, some stuff to take pictures, some little clothes. They got music. Oh, yes they do. Hey, thank you. The boogie kind of hard to push, but anywho, y'all. So get my hair. This is insane. Let me just put it back here. I'll tell y'all when I get it.
Finding rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I should've kept from pushing the best in me. Take a step out, yes I'm in now, let's go edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Finding rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I should've kept from pushing the best in me.
Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, let your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, let your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, let your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. My mind, what you need and what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind, what you need and what you like. I could be paranoid, the observation before me. You had all them boys, I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. Do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, let your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, let your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, let your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all.
All right today.
Yes, how you doing?
Good.
Hey. Get out.
I ain't trying to be
Not even this. Yeah, this is my video, boo. Y'all, she trying to be in my video. I'm cute today, y'all. With her hat on. But anyway, y'all, so this came out of Five Below. Got some real cute stuff, real cute. Finna go on Crumbl. Because if you don't get that oatmeal cookie, you ain't never had that oatmeal cookie, you sleep.
I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break.
Oh yeah, they down there selling Girl Scout cookies. Y'all. Leave them little children alone. Y'all got my cookie. Got my cookie, y'all. We're headed to the car. I don't have no Girl Scout cookie money right now. See, if I knew that they was gonna be down there, then I wouldn't have got these. You know. So I gotta find the key. Oh, no, I don't. Boom. There go the sunlight. There's the sunlight. It's hitting. Is our oh, I'm sorry, boo. There's the sunlight. Yeah. So these people be looking like I want to record them. Boy, I ain't recording y'all. Oh, they be knowing these folks. I don't be knowing them, y'all. Dang, that's what I should have looked for. I should have looked for a car mount, y'all. I should have looked for a car mount. I don't know if they was some good ones, though. That's the only thing. Alright, y'all, we're headed to... Where we headed to? Walmart? We're gonna head to Walmart next, y'all. Somebody's sleeping. My little gent sleepy, y'all, so... Home might be the next stop. My little gent, she tired, y'all. Can't be showing your people out here, you know. But my little, yeah, she a little tired. Can't show her.
Simone.
Girl. I said not private, but a secret. I mean, a secret, but not private. Y'all gotta hear me out. It's, ooh, see, I keep showing her, y'all.
Don't show me.
I'm trying not to. It is not a secret, but private. Yeah. I'm living a private life, y'all. Okay? And when you get in your car, you should be putting on hand sanitizer. Don't talk too much, because I heard that's how they be knowing who people be. Because they be listening to voices and stuff. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, don't say nothing. Now, yeah, I already know, though, because we was in the store. She was like... I was like... Ooh. Put that on. Make sure you getting all in the crevices and the fingertips as well. See, I don't like that. I don't be liking it. If you walk around with stuff in your fingernails, I can't trust you. When I tell y'all, this is the best cookie ever. My little gent probably cold over there. Look at the apple. Y'all can say what y'all want about them other cookies. But this one right here, can't compare. I'm sorry. It's the best cookie. I wouldn't even lie to you. Yeah, I'm finna go get me a little dak. What time the sun go down?
It's only 5 and 6. Exact time.
I like you want to get a dak and sit outside. Can you do that? Would you like to do that?
Said it was $6 worth of water.
No.
The girl said that actually. She got it for free.
Gotta drink a little water behind it.
Ew.
Yeah, this is the last cookie that I'm eating. Because I gotta be looking good for the summertime. And just life period. Like, I've been showing that since I had my little problems going on. Well, not problems. Mother Nature called me.
Yeah, I should call her.
But that's it, y'all. I'm not doing it no more. She can call me all she want to. We're gonna go and get some fruit, y'all. Oh, buying $30 shampoo from Beyonce and never seen her real hair is crazy. Child, they don't care what Beyonce do. Beyonce can put out a cone and they gonna go and get it. Excuse me. She is like that it girl though. Like, we be making people choose who gonna be the it girl. Like, what y'all think it is? Like, I really want to know. Like, did y'all collectively just gather up together and say she gonna be that it girl? Like, I want to know. Me personally, I like Beyonce, but I'm definitely a Kelly fan. Like, Kelly my home. Like, that's my home girl. Period. Oh, you know she got a movie out too by Tyler Perry or whatever. Tyler Perry made the movie. I think that's right. Yeah, so me and my legit, we're gonna get something to eat and we're gonna go home and watch it, right? That's what I think we should do.
Cool.
I would like to do that if you would like to.
Yeah, but we're not going to go sit at no beach. We ain't going to go sit at no beach or outside.
Y'all, I thought this girl was cussing for a minute. That's why I said, I thought that girl said we ain't finna go see no little B. That's why I'm like, huh? Girl. Yeah, we did say we was gonna do that.
Me say that word.
I'm just saying.
We can go to the beach tomorrow after you get done doing what you got to do.
You're right. Okay. You want to do that instead of since you got to go to work?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, y'all. So we're just going to go to Walmart. So I'll get back to y'all when we get there because I don't even like the way the sand doing right now. I don't like how it's doing, but whatever. Get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. So I'm back at the house. About to unwind for the night. Might drink a little wine. Little one too. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. I think that was it. Oh, stay tuned for the room tour. Cause now I got some carpets, or a carpet, and some more stuff that I added in there. You know. So I'm gonna show y'all that. Probably do like a little small haul for that. Let y'all know where I got everything from. If y'all would like to see that, comment down below if you would like to see that. And yep, stay tuned for the next one, y'all.